Today I'm preparing food for 3 days ahead, so I won't need to waste time and there will always be a healthy snack in the fridge. So I started with protein tortillas. I have never tried them before and in fact they are very easy to make. Lentils, water and salt in a blender, 1 minute in the pan and done. Simultaneously with the tortillas I started cooking an Asian salad. I found a recipe on the Zwilling website. By the way, this is my new gadget. It's very convenient that I can put the products directly in the container. I also found a recipe for dessert with raspberries. Healthy enough if you replace sugar with a sweetener. It will look very appetizing when I add the berries on top. So my tortillas have cooled down and are now put in the container. So next is my favorite lunch option. I added salad from last night's dinner to the Mark and Spencer mixture. Containers are what saves me from wasting food. Literally, there is nothing I throw away anymore. Then I cook the fish in the air fryer, so 14 minutes for me to tidy up the kitchen. I also bought fresh herbs and fish to finish my tortillas. By the way, I've never seen this one before. It looks just amazing. My Asian salad can serve as a side dish, plus I can add hummus, for example. Well, that's it. I had so much fun filming it all for you guys.